It's Mikey Likes It, and today we traded two of Mikey's Vinylmations. Mikey, which ones did you get today? Okay, so this one is Cyclops from Villains 4. And this one's Pongo from 101 Dalmations. Okay, and then we also got a brand new one. Let's open it up and see what we got.
I got it. Oh, look.
Wow, which one did you get? Which one did you get? The Wicked Stepmother. Let me see. Come here, let me see the Wicked Stepmother from Cinderella. Wow, that's awesome. Let me see the box. Okay, so this is the Cinderella series, and you can get...
I want to keep all the things. Can I keep all the things?
Of course. So you can get this Wicked Stepmother, the Fairy Godmother, Cinderella. I wonder the Prince. I wonder who the Chaser is. And then there's the Mikey. What's the cat's name? Lucifer.
What is the dog's name? What is the dog's name?
Okay, where's those? I think it's gonna be Jack. All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Mikey Likes It.